Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Sol air speaker not working in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start our video. First of all, go to settings, click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, click on hearing devices. Now here click on hearing aids compatibility, turn on Bluetooth, go back. After the hearing compatibility, turn on. So Bluetooth is turn on, so turn off the Bluetooth. So check your air speaker is working. If it not working, so again click on settings. Now in settings, click on accessibility. Now here click on touch. Now here scroll down, click on call audio routing. Now here you will see 3 options. You will click on speaker, go back. You will check your air speaker is working. If it not working, so click the power button and down volume button and power off the phone. After the restarting phone, enter the key. You will check your air speaker is working. If it not working, so click on settings. Now in settings, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, so update your software latest. After the updating software, you will check your air speaker is working. If it not working, so click on settings. Now in settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, enter your phone key. Now here reset all setting. It's just reset all setting. If it not reset and not delete your phone data. So that's how you can to fix solve air speaker not working. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.